Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I am in the mood for a funnel pour. And this is actually really cool when it's a silicone funnel that you can just reuse. It paint peels out. It's from Loli Befe. I kind of use it and abuse it and have for a long time, but it's a workhorse. So for this, I'm using a 12 by 12 canvas. I'm going to go ahead and just put down a white base here, not covering the whole canvas, just a little bit here for the paint to kind of go under. For a funnel pour, you can cover the whole canvas if you want, or you can just put a little puddle there in the beginning. And I've already picked out the colors that I want. I'm using pretty much warm colors with a little bit of turquoise also, and several metallics. Now, one thing I've learned also is get all your colors open beforehand, because you're going to be holding the funnel and you're not going to have two hands. So I'm going to go ahead and set the funnel in this paint here and then pretty much just start pouring the colors. So that's Fairy Dreams, which is a rose gold. Got Razzle Dazzle magenta here. Got some garnet. Quite a few metallics I'm using here. Royal purple. Bit of electric pink and some turquoise. So I'm just filling this up, and then I'm going to go ahead and slowly lift up. This probably is not enough. You know what, let me bring you down for a side view here real quick. All right, so this probably is not quite enough paint to cover this whole canvas, but that's okay. I can add extra around the edges if I need to. So I'm just pulling straight up and letting that paint go underneath that white paint. Sometimes I do like to kind of go a little bit, kind of do a twirling, you know, or a swirl. But here I'm just going to go ahead and just release it just straight up. I used quite a bit of metallics in there. This actually might be at least almost enough paint. Do not think I got enough turquoise. We'll see. Okay, so I'll do a quick little close-up kind of thing here. You already see some crazy lacing and stuff in there. I'm really excited to tilt this. Okay, so I do think before I start tilting, I am going to add a little bit of extra paint around the edges. I just don't think I have quite enough, and I don't want to have to tilt more than I want to. I'm going to add just a little bit of this Fairy Dreams around here. And then here we go. Okay, so this actually had a very unexpected reaction, but I'm totally digging it. I'm not gonna lie, my white was a little old. I was a little worried about it, which is one of the main reasons I didn't coat the canvas with it. But I'm gonna take you in for a close-up to show you over here, but over here we actually have like a couple layers of color. So underneath we have stripes of pink and purple and some red, and then on top of that, we have the white lacing. I don't think I have ever seen that occur before. This to me is like a lightning storm. That's what it looks like an outer space, just crazy lightning storm. So I'll bring you in here for a close-up. I'm gonna start over here with this part I was telling you about. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but that lacing is literally sitting on top of those blue or purple and pink stripes, which is pretty crazy. We've got some awesome rose gold cells over here, and I love that the purple is like kind of all around the border there. A lot of red in the middle here with that garnet and razzle dazzle. So there you guys go. Crazy funnel pour. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this crazy video. Check down in the description for all of the materials, and I will see you all next time.